Imagine being able to travel between San Francisco and Los Angeles in under 3 hours without a plane and without getting stuck in California's notorious traffic jams. This isn't just a dream. It's a project that could change the future of transportation in the United States forever. Welcome to a new video, and today we'll take you on a tour inside one of the most controversial and ambitious infrastructure projects in the world. The California High-Speed Rail Project, the first high-speed rail network in the United States history. While Japan, France, and China have had high-speed rail networks for decades, the United States has relied primarily on cars and airplanes. But with California's growing population and increasingly congested highways and airports, the government began searching for a long-term solution. In 2008, Californians approved initial funding for the project through a public referendum, officially launching the journey to create the first high-speed rail system in the United States. The goal was clear: to connect the state's two largest cities, San Francisco and Los Angeles, with electric trains traveling at speeds of up to 354 kilometers per hour the clock. Since then, the project has become one of the largest transportation projects in America. When the project is completed, the main line will stretch for approximately 795 kilometers. It will include more than 10 major stations, including San Francisco, San Jose, Merced, Fresno, Bakersfield, Palmdale, Burbank, Los Angeles, and Anaheim. The journey, which currently takes more than 6 hours by car, will be reduced to less than 3 hours. The trains themselves will be fully electric and will operate at speeds comparable to the most popular trains in Japan, China, and Europe. They will be equipped with state-of-the-art digital control systems that ensure very high levels of safety. The project is not simply about laying railway tracks. It requires the construction of a massive infrastructure that includes dozens of huge concrete bridges, hundreds of new intersections, highway overpasses, tunnels in mountainous areas, modern stations, advanced maintenance centers. In California's Central Valley, hundreds of pieces of heavy machinery can be seen working daily. Giant cranes, thousands of workers, and enormous quantities of concrete and steel are being used to build the project. The concrete bridges spanning roads and rivers are among the most complex parts of the project.
Despite its immense potential, the project faced formidable challenges. The first of these was the terrain. The line traverses extensive agricultural plains, mountainous regions, densely populated cities, earthquake-prone areas. Therefore, engineers had to design bridges and tunnels to withstand California's well-known seismic activity. The project also faced legal challenges related to land acquisition and compensation for landowners. Furthermore, the prices of building materials and labor have risen sharply in recent years, increasing costs and delaying some phases of the project. Despite these obstacles, construction continued at an accelerated pace.
Construction is currently concentrated in the Central Valley between Merced and Bakersfield. Dozens of bridges and major concrete structures have been completed. Most of the first phase of the project has received the necessary environmental approvals. Authorities are now preparing to begin installing the tracks, electrical systems, and signaling, the phase preceding the operation of test trains. Thousands of engineers and workers are employed daily at multiple sites, making the project one of the largest open construction sites in America. The project aims not only to reduce travel time, it also seeks to ease traffic congestion, reduce reliance on short domestic flights, lower carbon dioxide emissions, support the local economy, create thousands of jobs. Cities along the line will also benefit from increased investment, boosted business activity, and improved public transportation. Upon completion of the first phase, the United States will have entered the era of high-speed rail for the first time. California plans to later extend the network to Sacramento, San Diego, and other cities within the state. The project will become part of a modern transportation network that could serve as a model for the rest of the United States. Despite ongoing debate about its cost, its supporters see it as a long-term investment that will serve millions of residents for decades to come. The California High-Speed Rail Project is not just a new railway line. It represents an attempt to reshape the future of transportation in the United States.
Between ambitious modern engineering, financial challenges, and political controversy, this project remains one of the most intriguing infrastructure projects in the world. The question remains, will it succeed in achieving its vision and become a turning point in American transportation, or will it remain an example of the difficulties of implementing mega projects? Share your opinions in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to follow more of the biggest mega projects under construction around the world. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.